Honey. We already know what app we're talking about today. They just made a recent announcement that they're gonna commit to donate around or support with $530 million in supporting Black businesses and communities, which is interesting. It's kind of good that they're doing that. But that message got me thinking about how does a free extension make so much money that they can just throw it away and give it back to the community, right? And I started Googling around to see what the fuck happened with Honey, and they got acquired by PayPal actually for $4 billion. And I can't understand why. Like, how does a free extension just get acquired by $4 billion? I'm a shitty startup. So I decided today to download my Honey data and see what the fuck they're actually collecting or something, or how do they actually get to be evaluated at $4 billion. So after a full month of just going back and forth with the Honey team, I finally got my data back in a form of a zip of a bunch of Excel format. So we're gonna take a look at this. Let's see what we can find. Alrighty, so we're inside of the data zip that they gave me. I extracted and put it on my Google Drive so I can just upload it and see. I might have to censor a few things just because it contains personal data probably. So pretty basic stuff. User profile. They have something called PayPal ID, Apple ID, and Facebook ID, Google ID. Maybe if you want to attach some of these, or they get another data source, that's completely formal or normal, and I mean that's okay. User info, so they know that I live in the US, and some type of installation ID. I don't know what's that. Maybe that will do something. Transactions. So it looks like they have some eBay, Omaze, Udemy, Walgreens transactions. It's kind of curious because like this Walgreens, I didn't do it via Honey, or I don't remember buying something from Honey. They have a subfolder inside of this, user activity, which I want to see exactly what's inside of here. We have 6 different files. We want to take a look at this. I click through. So this looks like the ad that they gave me. They capture some kind of app. Of course, they have my browser, my version, yada yada yada. Join website activities. Let's see. Okay. I don't know why they have like youtube.com, help Johnny, Honey. I don't know if they're tracking something with my mail. It's interesting to see that. I wasn't expecting that, but that's fine. Page views. Let's take a look at this one. So they seem to track every single website that I actually visited when I had this extension. Like they have some Amazon, my S3 cloud. As a developer, damn, that's why they're tracking my AWS account. The only dangerous part about this one is if my S3 bucket is public and maybe have some keys because of maybe, I don't know, I was dumb and pulled some keys out down there. Somebody that maybe hacked Honey's database can access my S3 bucket, maybe pull out some keys, which if you're a developer, please don't use Honey. What the fuck? So they have that, and they have every single website that they go through. Not just only the websites that have like a cart, they also have websites that don't necessarily have a cart. Shit. They track my Gmail account. This is my theory. The reason why Honey got bought out by $4 billion because they have all the user consumer information and they know what you're buying. So maybe they can do some kind of machine learning to just, you know, try to predict what you're gonna buy and maybe sell to advertisers or something like that. Kind of sucks. You're selling your entire privacy and you're selling your entire thing just because of some honey gold. That's the entire thing. Fuck, that really sucks. Like, it's just, fuck, man. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. So just be careful, take care of your data, and please don't download these extensions just because it's free or some random influencer told you, hey, just download this application. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Have a great day. I'm proud of you.